Here are 17 computer shortcuts you need to know. Let's start off with the Windows key. Hitting Win E will bring up a File Explorer window. I use this all the time. If I have multiple windows open, I can hit Windows D to look at my desktop. Hitting Windows D again will bring all the windows back up. You can also hit Windows M to minimize everything that's open, and then hitting Windows Shift M reverses that. Win R will open the run box if you need to run a program. If you hit Win U, it opens the utility menu. So first thing here is accessibility, and then you have your whole list of menus here. If you're inside a folder and you want to go back, instead of using the mouse to find the arrow, just hit Alt and then the back arrow. So not backspace, but the arrow going back. Now I'm going to go back inside that folder, and if I want to copy, I can hit Control C and then Control V to paste it. And then if I want to undo that, I can hit Control Z, and that'll undo whatever action I've done. And Control X is cut. And when you copy something on your smartphone, it goes into a clipboard, which stores all your recently copied items, so you can select even items that you've copied a little while ago. Windows also has that, and you can easily access it by hitting Windows V. On my computer, it currently doesn't work. I'm having some issues with that, but this shortcut is still out there. If you want to quickly switch between apps, you can hit Alt-Tab, and that'll bring you to your most recently opened tab. Or you can even cycle through whatever you have open and choose whichever one you want to open. If I have a list of items and I need to select all of them, I can hit Control A. If I want to select only certain ones, I can click the first one and then hit Shift while clicking the next one, and it'll select only that list. And if I only want to select certain ones, not a whole list, I can hit Control while selecting only certain ones. That way you can skip some throughout the list. And finally, if you want to search for something on your computer, simply tap the Windows button and you can start typing right away.